Hello, if you want to turn on or off the flashlight on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you can open the notification tray, and by doing so you will have additional buttons over here, and one of them can be the flashlight unless of course you edited these buttons. So by default we can tap over here in order to enable the flashlight or disable it as well. In addition to that, you can also go to quick access or quick settings where you also find these buttons, and one of them could be flashlight unless of course it was removed. So you can tap on the flashlight in order to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can press this pen over here in the top right corner, and then you can either choose these top buttons that you had in notification tray or the full quick access or quick settings. And if you press edit, then of course over here you have available buttons. So if you don't have for some reason the flashlight over there, you should be able to find it in available buttons. You should be able to tap on the button in order to add it to the quick settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!